Now this, okay, now we know some exponential rule, that is x raised to m plus n is same as x raised to m into x raised to n, meaning if base are same, okay, if base are same, we can add the indices. This implies this as well as this implies this, okay. This is algebraic. Similarly, here we can break it this, okay. Here we can break this. This is same as integral is same as e raised to x into here e raised to x. So if since base are same, we can add indices. If we add indices, it will become x plus e raised to x. Okay? Therefore, this is same as this. Plus, similarly over here, e raised to x into e raised to minus x, because plus minus is minus. Here, since base are equal, you can, if you add x here, it is e raised to x. So x plus of minus e raised to x, therefore that is e raised to x minus e raised to x. Okay, therefore this is same as this. Now from here, what we can do is we can take e raised to x common. Here we can take e raised to x common. Now if I take e raised to x common, integral e raised to x, then e raised to x plus e raised to x dx. Okay, now think of something. Okay, now if I substitute e raised to x equals to u, because e raised to x is over here, here also e raised to x. So if I substitute, okay, if I substitute u equals to e raised to x, it implies du equals to e raised to x into dx. So therefore my du, I will be getting e raised to x into this term, e raised to x, and dx will be my du. Okay, therefore this is same as integral. Here e raised to x is what? U, plus e raised to minus of u, e raised to x dx become a du. Okay, now it's become simple integral. Okay, this simple integral, we separate it with respect to integral with respect to du. You will get integral e raised to u du minus plus integral minus u du, that is equals to, this is equals to integral of e raised to u is e raised to u plus integral of e raised to u is e raised to minus u. Again d by dx of minus u is minus 1. So will be here, we will get minus over here, some plus some constant. Don't forget to come back, what is u, what you have substituted. U is what? U is your e raised to x. Okay, here e raised to, what is u? E raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. This is the answer for question number 2.